Welcome to Chinese in Minutes, where learning Mandarin is simple, fun, and fast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's Chinese lesson is heating up. Literally, we're learning three hot characters, 热, shāo, and chǎo. All about fire and cooking. If you love food or just want to spice up your Chinese, this one's for you.
Let's start with 热, which means hot. This character combines zhi, meaning to hold, and 火, the fire radical at the bottom. Picture yourself holding a flame. Ouch! It's hot. So 热 perfectly captures the feeling of heat. For example, 热水 means hot water.
Next up, shāo, meaning to burn or to roast. It has the fire radical, 火, on the left. That's easy to spot. And yao on the right, which gives the sound. Fire plus sound equals heating or burning. You'll see it in words like shāo cao, meaning barbecue, delicious.
And finally, chǎo, meaning to stir fry. Again, we see the fire radical 火 on the left. All three are fiery characters today. And shāo on the right, meaning a little. Think of a little fire under your wok, fast, hot, sizzling. That's stir-frying. Like in chǎo fan, fried rice.
So today we turned up the heat with three fire-related characters. 热, hot, shāo, to burn or roast, and chǎo, to stir-fry. They all share the fire radical 火, reminding us how central heat is in cooking, in energy, even in passion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Chinese in Minutes.